I'm back for another episode. Gym time with Bryce Ford, joined by Caden Pearson. He's coming along with us today. We're gonna moto shortly. Some people have already showed up for the pit bike race. It's about to be a big event. There is some rain, which sucks, but we're gonna make the most of it and go moto. Tyler's watering the track right now. We're gonna do something cool later today. He's gonna build the 110. So stay tuned with us. We're gonna get, some stretching first and then hit the core workout. Let's get it.
My name's Jarrett Saylor. I'm from South Bend, Indiana. I ride with like Caleb Carter, Joe Dirt, Wyo, and
how long have you been racing pit bikes professionally for?
Going on 10 years now, probably.
Oh.
That's pretty much all I did. I quit riding big bikes.
We're back. Freshest gear in the game, baby. FXR, let's go.
Close.
This thing's looking good, man. Factory Honda. It's gonna be the pit bike winner tomorrow in the stock and the mod class. Don't ask questions, it's stock.
Yeah, totally.
What are you building over here?
The motor. Bryce's parts finally came in, the hubs finally came in. We got all the parts and everything we were waiting on. So today is assembly day, finally. Even though we're 3 weeks later than we originally planned on. Should be going good today. This bike was practically brand new, so everything's gonna go together just fine. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Honestly, once we get this motor together, it's just gonna go like that. I mean, it's just assembly, so.
Gotta mark the track and dig the Joker lane in the morning and then figure out the big track. There's gonna be some 140s out here tomorrow tearing up, their stuff up. ride this like that. On those jumps, you can't see the face. Hey, can you break this thing in for me?
You sure?
Got our truck. Just be easy on it at first. The brakes don't really work as good, but they'll get better. Watch, I'm gonna shred the out of it.
So much fun.
I had no brakes that whole time.
Yeah, you can get used to the bike. He's already making excuses, so it's gonna be an easy night. What did you get?
What did you get? What do you get?
44.33.
He was 2 seconds faster. I'm going
I got
again.
42.46.
Where did I get that lap? 43.9.
I mean, I don't even feel like I need to put in a second qualifying lap. And this is gonna be easy money. He's got to get another one. Let him get another one. That thing's sick because it's just stock. You can just dog it and you know the tranny's gonna drop out, but you're not gonna feel too bad about it. Caden just broke his bike. That was my old bike. Never rode it once, but yeah, now he's got it hammered, clapped out. Super fun shredding the track. It just got done. My pit bike just got done, so that's really cool. We had the light towers, so we brought them out. There the TPR is. But yeah, we'll see you guys at the race. Thanks so much for coming along with us. Like, subscribe, share it with your best friend, and see you guys soon.
Let me be the shadow.